Hey folks, Adam here. Today we're looking at the Kenney Kendall standard decorative window curtain rod. With over 26,000 ratings on Amazon, has over a 4.5 star review, almost 5-star review, and it's Amazon's choice for curtain rods by Kenney. All right, so what can I tell you about this thing? First off, you see Watson installing it. He loves it. Just put it in his house. He built his own house, and he picked out the best curtain rod on Amazon, and that was the Kenney Kendall. There's a couple different sizes, 28 to 48 inch or 48 to 86 inch. Okay. What else can I tell you about? There's a variety of colors. There's the antique rust. It's kind of a dark color. There's the black. It's kind of black. The brushed nickel. And, of course, the oil rubbed bronze. I have the oil rubbed bronze. And Watson, I believe, has the nickel. So what else can I tell you about this? It says the Kenney Kendall 5/8 inch standard decorative window curtain features modern design. It is a 5/8 inch diameter curtain rod, and the rod projects 3.5 inches from the wall and adjusts from 28 to 48 inches on the smaller size or 48 to 86 inches on the larger size. It's a great complement to your house. It is great for knockout curtains, and it gives you just enough room. Comes with all the installation guide and installation tools you'll need. Wood screws and wall mounts and things of the sort. Pretty much if you have a drill and a screwdriver, you can install this thing in just minutes. So I'm a big fan. I think it's absolutely fantastic looking. I use mine. I've got some knockout curtains, and I think they look fantastic. Let's see what one user has to say. Javis says, I bought my curtain rod with the Umbra adjustable brackets, and they fit perfectly underneath. I've had this for almost a year, and it holds up nicely without a problem. I have 4 light sheet curtains on the rod, and I constantly slide them all the time without issues. This is an absolutely quality curtain rod. I'm very pleased, and you can see it works fantastic. Another user says, great buy and easy install. So anyway, folks, I'm a big fan. I think you'll be too. It's a smart choice. I think you're going to love it. Thanks for watching, and well, adios, amigos.